I say I don't care, but I visit your profile and every day when I miss you, see your last scene. If a girl says sorry first, I don't mean she accepted the mistake. It means she doesn't wanna lose you and want to save the relationship. When someone comes to know that we can't live without them, they don't let us leave. I don't know why, but I still have a hope that one day you will miss me the way I missed you. Stop messaging them again and again. If you are not replying, you protect yourself. Respect is not a joke. You may see someone smiling, but inside they are dying. Girls never dress up to impress boys. They get ready to take pictures. True people cry when you leave. Fake people leave when you cry. Love is not only made for lovers, it is also for friends who love each other better than lovers. When you fully trust someone without any doubt, you finally get one of two results: a person for life or a lesson for life. Always be ready to survive alone. Some people suddenly change. Today you are important to them. Tomorrow you are nothing to them. And that's real life. You can't say sorry every time because sometimes some things hurt so bad even a sorry can't take away its pain. I am a person with no patience, but if I am still waiting for your replies, then believe me, you are really special for me. If you liked this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.